In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok privacy settings. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, and once you've done that, please go and consider leaving a like as well, as it really does help the channel out. And please do watch this guide right until the end to know all of the steps in this guide, and without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. I'm now on my phone, but just a quick note, this guide is going to work if you're on an iOS device, if you're on an Android device. As long as you've got access to TikTok, this guide is going to work, so let's go and get straight into this. So all you want to do is of course open up the TikTok app, and you want to come to your profile section, or the me section I believe it's called as well, and that's just in the bottom right. So click here and it's going to show your profile and all of your videos. Then all you want to do is go to the top right where you've got those three lines or three bars, click here, and then it goes and gives you your settings and privacy. Then you need to go under the account section and simply go and click on privacy or privacy, however you want to say it. Click here. And then, as you can see, these may look a bit different. Now, if they look a bit different, this is because you're under 16, and if you are under 16, then your account is private without your choice. This is just a TikTok rule. So if you're actually over 16 and you've entered your age incorrectly, then you should try and contact TikTok. If you're under 16, there is nothing you can do about this, and you have to wait till you turn 16, and then it should update. You may need to give it a few days, or even just to wait for the time zone to update. And if it still doesn't change, then you should try and contact TikTok once again. But anyways, if yours looks something like mine, then we can go and customize this and change all of the settings. So as you can see at the top, we've got private account. So you can go and choose who you can approve to follow and stuff like that. Then you've got suggesting your account to others, so that's like being in the recommended. And you've got sync contacts and Facebook friends. So basically you can go and see who of your friends on Facebook and in your contacts are on TikTok. You can go and follow them, that type of thing. Then personalization, we've got add personalization, settings, and downloading your data. So you can go and change that however you'd like. Here you've got downloading your data, which is quite useful. So you could go and download your profile, your activity, your app settings. And then the safety, now this is really, really useful. As here, you can go and choose if people can do stuff such as downloading your videos. I have that turned off. And you can also go and choose who can comment on your videos, so click here. So everyone could, or you can just have no one, as I had then a minute ago. And you can also go and change mentions as well. So I could go and set that no one could mention me, for example, which is really useful. And then you've got stuff like duet, stitch. You can go and choose who can do that. And then you can go and change who can see your liked videos. As you can see, currently it's only me. And then at the bottom, you've got direct messages and blocked accounts. So you can go and change who can go and send you direct messages if people are spamming you or stuff like that. But yeah, that is the main way to go and change your TikTok privacy settings. And if you need to go and fix them, as I sort of mentioned, you may need to go and contact TikTok for that, as you can't go and basically change your age if you entered it incorrectly. But yeah, if you found this guide useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.